Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to uninstall League of Legends on Windows 10. To start the process, right-click on League of Legends. Here, click on Delete. After that, open your This PC. Then click on Downloads from the left dashboard. Here, right-click on League of Legends. Click on Delete. Now, go to the search bar. Search here Uninstall. Now click on Add or Remove Programs. Then scroll down and click on League of Legends. Here, click on Uninstall. Click on Uninstall. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and please leave a like, subscribe, and share.